Hello friends, I hope you are all doing well. Today is Thursday, September 18th. I am going to go out to get some coffee with Alot. I was actually planning to work outside right now because yesterday I spent the entire day working at home. I'm kind of balancing between working outside and working at home just so hindi ako masyadong overwhelmed sa pag-work sa house. So that's what I've been doing in the past couple of weeks. Actually, ever since I started working from home, I've been working outside here and there. I've decided na tinatamad pala ako magstay sa coffee shop today. Inaya ko na lang si Carlo na mag-take out kami ng coffee because I got this really cute mug. Wait, let me get it real quick. Okay, so I just got this mug from SNR. Actually from Landers pala, not from SNR. The reason why I got a new tumbler is because of my sister Aliyah. We went to Landers last weekend with my mom and brother. Kumuha siya ng pink one and bumili na din ako ng silver para twinning kami. And pag uwi ko, nakakaya kay Alot kasi like yung tumblers ko is parang almost 10 na sila. Mahilig kasi talaga ako bumili ng tumblers. Hindi ko naman din halos naiinuman lahat. Pero this one kasi is see-through yung taas kaya medyo nagustuhan ko. I'm going to bring this today so I can have my coffee here. And also, meron kasi akong favorite coffee sa Starbucks, which is yung barista drink. And yun lang talaga yung coffee na nag-help sa akin na magising, maging alert, ganun habang nag-work. Talaga ako masyadong inaantok. Nahihiya ako pagka madalas, hindi naman everyday, but like sometimes nadating sa time na every other day ako bumibili ng barista drink. Yung barista drink na venti size, sumabot siya sa akin ng 2 to 3 days bago ko siya maubos. Nahihiya akong pag umuwi ako. Ito ko na lang ipapalagay para hindi ako masyado mahiya. In terms of like wedding updates, I know I discussed like some wedding updates a couple of days ago. Only 2 people viewed it so far. So just a quick update about the wedding. In terms of the florist, so medyo confused ako before kung para saan yung florists or yung flowers. Yun pala is, bukod pa yung designs ng venue, yung venue yung bahala doon. Pero kasi yung florist, doon kayo kukuha ng mga bouquet, ng mga yung nilalagay sa wrist, at saka yung nilalagay na flowers sa ganito ng mga ninong and ninang. That's clear naman na hanap na kami ng mga florist na kapag kukuhaan namin ng flowers na malapit sa venue. I met with the wedding coordinator to send her the flow of the officiant. Siyempre, yung process nila is magsa-start from pag natapos yung ceremony. Pero actually, the whole entire event is nakikipag-coordinate na si wedding coordinator kay officiant. So, si officiant meron siya sariling flow na kung ano mangyayari doon sa ceremony. And yun yung kailangan nilang isan namin sa kanila para alam nila kung kailan yung exchanging of the rings, yung pagtanggal ng veil, ganun. The entire process. Sorry, wala akong masyadong idea sa process. On the process na din yung mga Senomar and other legal documents. Payment for the suppliers will be sent out today. Yeah, that's kind of updates on the upcoming wedding. Sana within the next week, magkaroon kami ng mas marami pang updates para hindi kami masyadong stress near the big day. Recently, I'm trying to take a bit more rest then. I've been like doing like multiple jobs all at the same time. So I've kind of been working a lot of hours a day and just overworked. Recently, I've decided to take and prioritize a bit more on my health and take a bit more of rest. Focusing on one job is enough. And nagpa-humble sa akin din na dapat nag-rely ako kay God in terms of like my source of income. And He's always gonna be the one who will provide for me. He is the one who can take everything. I've decided to take a bit more rest to focus on my health and overall well-being. In terms of my dogs, so I have 4 dogs in total. I have Pomeranian Beagle. She is alpas lang sa compound, so hindi siya talaga lumalabas or pumupunta sa kalsada. She's kind of trained like that ever since dinala namin siya here. Then yung 3 kong malalaking dogs, si Neji, si Mojo, and si Nala, they were indoor dogs. Lumipat kami dito ni Carlo. Since ongoing pa nga yung house, you can see naman na wallpaper pa lang yung room namin. Hindi pwede sila Mojo and Sinala magstay sa loob kasi open din pa yung bahay. Wala pang bakod, wala pang railings, and we're kind of just focusing on saving. One day, God will provide. Instead of nasa cage lang sila, pinagawa sila ng malaking cage doon sa backyard kasi malaki yung space here. So, meron silang malaking running area. So, parang may backyard na sila. Cage nila is nilagyan ko na lang ng bed. Tapos, lagi ko sila niluluguan and binibigyan ng vitamins and pinapakain ng masarap na food. Pero, syempre, minsan, nasasad pa din ako kasi gusto ko nasa indoor sila. Nasasad ako kapag hindi ko sila makadal sa bed. Na-realize ko din na ever since yung nagkaroon nga sila ng sarili nilang backyard, pagka nagsasocks ako sa room, hindi na nagkakaroon ng maraming buhok yung socks ko. It's kind of like a bittersweet moment na ang saya kasi sobrang linis na ng floor. But at the same time, namimiss ko siya. Yan, everything works out for the best naman as long as they're okay, they're safe, they're busog, they're healthy, that's okay with me. Lately, I've actually been seeing Jess Conti's vlog, so I've been loving her content ever since I was in high school. She's very soft, very calm. Her content is the type of like content that I want mine to be inspired in. In one of the videos that she created, she prepared like a diaper caddy for one of her friends who just gave birth, and I was thinking of doing that for some of my friends who not recently had a baby but like have 1-year-olds, friends, some family members who have like recently just had a baby, so I'm planning to do that for them as well. Some sweet thing to do then for them. Also seeing one of my really good friends like at the end of October, so it's a really good way to give her something. Recently, I've also been planning to cook more kasi hindi ako marunong magluto. Marunong naman ako mga hotdog, pancit canton, ganun. Pero ayun nga, nantay pa kasi muna namin na maayos yung house, magkaroon ng maayos na kitchen. I have this tasty app na nandun lahat ng recipes online na pwede ko namang sundan. Or pwede ako magpaturo kay Alot magluto. Also, I've been wanting to clean more. Si Alot have been doing all of that. It's just been really organized with everything. So I'm really appreciative of him. I'm gonna go outside now. I need to buy coffee.
Hi, my dinner is it's a pie with corned beef and sriracha and mayo.
Okay. It's good. Hindi pa nakagat yung cheese, no? It's good.
Pinakita ko na sa inyo yung dinner ko. Hi guys.
It is the next day. I'm working and I've been working since 5:30 in the morning. Since I work from home, maraming distraction. So I've started using my own time tracker para maging mas disciplined ako in terms of like consistent pag-work na wala masyadong distractions. I work 10 hours a day minimum. If maging successful ako, tapos na ako mag-work ng 3:30 p.m. Naantay ko lang muna si Lot kasi he's making some breakfast. Dumating na ang breakfast.
This is corned beef with chicken wings and rice. Thank you, baby. Ba't ang daming ulam? So, dyan dalawa niluto mo? Ano tong kahalo ng corned beef?
Opo.
Baby, I don't eat upo.
Ang gulay.
Walang lasa nun, no?
Wala. Pampapaya lang. Diba?
Thanks for refilling my water, baby. Put it to stable, baby. Thank you, baby. Saan galing yung wings? Baby, may chicken ka ba? Saan kasi nilalagyan mo ko madami tapos wala kang ulam eh?
May chicken ka pa? Kasha pa? Gusto ba pa?
Ito na. Baby, sama ka? Hey guys, it's Saturday! Pero may work pa din ako, so pag Sunday ako, super happy kasi nga walang gagawin, walang pasok, ganun, gala-gala lang. Happy naman ako kahit may work ako ng Saturday. Blessing yan, blessing. Work ko is Monday to Saturday, and then Sunday lang yung off ko, and yung Sabbath. What did I wanna talk about? I should have written it down. Babas kami ni Lots para mag-breakfast, and then bumili siya ng shoes niya for his board exams because tomorrow he's going to take his boards. His polo shirt, we didn't find any polo shirt na walang logo sa mall. Later, I'm going to have to go to Palengke or the Bayan para maghanap ng polo shirt na may collar na walang logo. May ganun kaya. Alam ko sa Palengke meron eh. Lista din kami ni Lots kanina ng total expenses namin so far for the wedding in December. And mapapadasal ka na lang talaga na sana ay matuloy. Charot! Wala namang masama magkaroon ng simple wedding. Sa nandun lahat ng loved ones, and masaya lahat, busog lahat, aesthetic yung place. Yun lang naman yung gusto ko. Hindi ko naman gusto yung masyadong luxurious. We have to live by our means, or ano lang yung kaya natin. We cannot like spend more than what we earn. Dapat practical lang tayo, guys. Ganun yung buhok ko. Baka dahil di pa ako naliligo. Maliligo na ako soon. Busy lang, busy. Yung Monday shift ko is, hindi ako masyadong busy nun. Plano kong paliguan sila Mojo, Nala, Neji, Daisy sa Monday. Tomorrow, Sunday, is Sabbath nga. So, usually kasi nauwi ako sa Lipa para mag-bonding kami ni na mami. Kwento ko lang din, last week umuwi ako sa Lipa Sunday. Magkakasama kaming lahat aside from Ate Abby na nasa Australia. So, Ate Abby, I miss you so much! Si Ate Abby, hindi pa namin sure kung makakauwi siya sa wedding kasi umuwi siya earlier this year. The rest of the year is hindi na siya makakauwi. Mahal pala ng pamasahe from Australia and to Australia. Tapos syempre yung baon pa niya, yung gagasasin niya, ganun. Wala pang proposal ng si Lots. So hindi pa talaga namin na plan ahead na I'm getting married ng December, ganun. She wants to still go, but yun nga, we want to be practical and we're not rich yet. Di pa tayo masyadong sumasakses. Kailangan natin maging practical. But yeah, she wants to be part of the big day. I also want her to be part of the big day. She's in the invitation. Kuya is in the invitation. Ayoko mahirapan siya sa maging expenses nga if ever uuwi siya. And also, magla-livestream ako. If meron mang nag-review nito, kung sino man nag-review nito, magkaka-livestream kami sa wedding namin. So, one thing about me and Alot, dahil nga, introvert kami pareho is wala kami masyadong hardship in terms of kung sino yung mga friends na mapuntahin namin because we have very, very few friends. I think that's the update for this video. I think it's getting long na. Kakasalita ako. Hopefully, yung next video is maging mas nakakatawa or nakaka-enjoy panoorin. I'm just happy na nakapag-post ako ng 2 video 2 weeks in a row. Naiinis ako dun sa background kasi wallpaper lang ito. We're praying na mag-provide si Lord sa pagpapaayos nitong bahay para first couple of months or first year ng aming married life is magkaroon kami ng maayos na home. Okay naman yung home namin. We're keeping it as maayos as we can, but wala naman masamang mag-dream. Hopefully, dumating sa time na hindi na tagpi-tagpi yung ako lang kasi nagdikit niyan. Sorry na, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next vlog or next video. Hopefully, nandito ka pa rin. See you later. Bye!